Hi, I'm Natalie Leys. I'm a scientist, a microbiologist working at the Belgian Nuclear Research Center. I've been working with ESA to develop life support systems for space and try to see how microbes work and bioreactors work in space. We have sent and operated bioreactors in ISS, so in LEO, but we don't want to stop there. We want to expand the Earth biosphere up to the Moon and even Mars. It's a challenge, but a very exciting endeavor to take. You want to know more about our new discoveries, or new technologies, or new plans to go to the Moon? Join us at the MELiSSA workshop and conference. Register now, don't miss it, and see you there.